Electric choke. Electric chokes are your friend in the north where I live. I already have this set. It's marked. I got my white dots on there where I always run it. My fast idle should be set okay. I haven't touched it. But the thing with these is the electric. What I do is I run one wire, bottom one is the ground, and I run it through my conduit that I have over the intake, and I put it right to the nut on the blower motor. The hot wire, I run it to my windshield wiper motor. The blue wire on 69A body, the bottom one, that's for key on. I would not suggest running it to your positive side on the coil to catch 12 volts, your alternator stud, or your starter relay, which is right there. You'd be better off to run it the way that I do it, I think. That's my opinion. Or run it into the fuse box, run a long wire into the fuse box. What I mean by key off or key on is this blue wire right now is cold. As you can see, my test light's not going on. And I'm going to put it on accessory because I have points and I don't want any unnecessary electrical going to my points. So I can turn my key to left, accessory position. And now you can see that the key is on and I have power there. So what I do is when it starts to get cold and it's a little bit, rough in the morning, starting and keeping it running and all that, I just plug. I put a spade connector on the end of my hot wire, and all I do is I just plug it right in. I just plug it right in there. That's it. You got power. It works with the key. When your key is off, your choke is off. When the key is on, your electric choke is working. So it's a way to do it. It's the way, like I said, it's the way I do it. I'm not telling you to do it that way. But like I said, sometimes if you put it somewhere where you have constant power, this is going to get red hot. It'll probably melt and it ain't going to be any good. So I run it to a keyed position, which is this one. And the choke works. It's I've never had any trouble with it. The only thing that I probably should do is put a fuse in the line. But that's it, guys. Again, like I said, it gets cold in the winter, and I mean, even if you're in Texas or what have you, it doesn't really matter. It's the blue wire, and I just put a little piggyback on it, and it runs fine. And like I said, you gotta have a choke when it starts getting chilly, because if you don't, it sucks. So there it is. She's idling. It's a little bit low. I probably turn up that fast idle screw a little bit, put it on the next step, and see how that is. But it's pretty nice having a choke where it's cold. And that's it. I'll see you again. Thanks, guys. Bye now.